So here is our next MCQ. In this MCQ, we are given two variables x and y. X is of integer and y is of character type. Inside x, we have 67. Inside y, we have a character c. And now we are comparing the value of both these variables, okay, x and y. Okay, x is integer and y is of character type. Accordingly, we are printing wow. Inside else, we are printing headache. Okay, so you have to tell what is the correct output out of these four options. Okay, so wow, headache, or wow and headache both will be printed, or there is a compile time error, okay, due to the comparison between the character and integers. Okay, so we have to find the correct output. I will run the timer and you can think the answer. So I hope you have got the answer. The correct answer for this question is option A, that is wow will be printed. Okay, so why wow will be printed always? So first let's run this program. So this is our question. Okay, so let's run this and see what is the output. So here you can see we are getting wow. Okay, as x and y are always constant, 67 and c, so we will always get this wow as the answer. Okay, so why we are getting this answer, let's understand. So the answer is very simple. So basically, if you know the concept of the ASCII value, then this question is very easy. Okay, so basically inside the x we have 67, right? Okay, and inside y we have a character c. Okay, so inside y we have a character c. Now when we are comparing a integer and a character, okay, then basically the ASCII value of the character, those are compared. So as you know, for each character we have ASCII value, that means we have an integer value associated with it. So for capital A we have 65, for capital B we have 66, and so on. Same way we have other ASCII values for other characters. Okay, now this I have explained in our C programming. You can check that video. Okay, what is ASCII value and what is the meaning of them. Okay, now this capital C means we have 67. So here we are comparing integer and the character, and this is perfectly fine to compare an integer and a character. Okay, so basically what will happen, x is having 67, y, now y is being compared with the integer, so this 67 will be compared. Okay, that is the integer value, so integer value will be placed here. Now 67 is equal to 67, yes, so we are printing wow and then we return 0. Okay, that's why this answer is coming. Okay, and there is no compile time error that like we are comparing character and integer and they can't be compared to each other. No, this is not correct. Okay, we can compare integer and character. Okay, perfectly fine. Okay, so I hope you have got the answer. So if you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment box. Okay, so let's move to our next MCQ.